Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the most incredible machine on the planet, the human body. You might think you know yourself pretty well, but I guarantee some of these facts will absolutely blow your mind. So buckle up, because we are about to explore 10 shocking truths about the amazing vessel you live in every single day. Let's kick things off with something you do constantly without a second thought: blinking. Did you know that you blink around 20 times a minute? That adds up to over 10 million times a year. But here's the crazy part. Each blink lasts for about 100 to 150 milliseconds. If you add all that time up, it means you spend about 30 minutes every single day with your eyes closed just from blinking. It's like your brain is taking thousands of tiny power naps throughout the day. This isn't just to keep your eyes moist. It's also a micro rest for your brain, a moment to reset and refocus your attention. So next time you blink, remember you're giving your brain a mini vacation. Moving on to our second interesting fact, let's talk about your bones. When you're born, you have around 300 bones. But by the time you reach adulthood, you only have 206. What happens? Do they just disappear? Not exactly. As you grow, many of your smaller bones fuse together to form larger, stronger bones. A great example is your skull. It starts as multiple separate plates to allow the brain to grow, and then these plates join together. This process is what makes our skeletons both flexible in infancy and strong in adulthood. So you're not losing bones. You're just upgrading them. It is a natural built-in construction project that happens inside you. Alright, fact number 3 is about your gut. Your stomach is an incredibly powerful organ, and the acid inside it is no joke. The hydrochloric acid in your stomach is so strong it can dissolve metal. I'm talking about things like razor blades. In lab tests, stomach acid has been shown to significantly corrode even tough metals. So why doesn't it dissolve your stomach itself? Because your stomach has a brilliant defense mechanism. It produces a thick layer of mucus that coats its lining, protecting it from the powerful acid. Plus, the stomach lining replaces itself every few days, constantly rebuilding its defenses. It's a delicate but powerful balance happening inside you right now. Next up, let's journey into the brain. Your brain is the command center of your body, and it's buzzing with activity. It generates about 12 to 25 watts of electricity. That's enough to power a low-wattage LED light bulb. This electrical energy is created by the billions of neurons firing and communicating with each other. It's these tiny electrical signals that allow you to think, move, feel, and even dream. So when someone has a bright idea, it's more literal than you might think. Your head is literally a small, biological power plant. Pretty amazing, right? For our fifth shocking fact, let's talk about our unique identity. We all know fingerprints are unique. But did you know you have another unique print? Your tongue. Just like your fingerprints, every person's tongue print is one of a kind. It has its own specific shape, texture, and pattern of bumps and ridges. While law enforcement isn't asking you to stick out your tongue just yet, the field of biometrics is exploring its potential for identification. So if you ever needed another reason to feel special, just remember that your tongue is as unique as you are. Now for something that will make you feel like a superhero. Fact number 6. Your body is a star-making factory. Seriously. Most of the elements that make up your body, like the carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen, were forged in the heart of collapsing stars billions of years ago. These stars exploded, scattering these elements across the universe. Eventually, they came together to form our planet and ultimately, us. As the famous astronomer Carl Sagan said, "We are made of star stuff." It's not just a poetic phrase. It's a scientific fact. You are literally cosmic. Let's shrink down for fact number 7. We're going to talk about the incredible highway system inside you. Your blood vessels. If you could take all the arteries, veins, and capillaries out of an average adult and lay them end to end, they would stretch for over 60,000 miles. That's more than enough to circle the Earth twice. This vast network is responsible for delivering oxygen and nutrients to every single cell in your body and carrying away waste. It's an unbelievably complex and efficient transportation system, all packed neatly inside you. Coming in at number 8 is a fact about our sense of smell and its powerful connection to memory. Have you ever caught a scent that instantly transported you back to a specific moment in your childhood? There's a biological reason for that. The part of your brain that processes smells, the olfactory bulb, is directly connected to the amygdala and hippocampus, which are the brain regions responsible for emotion and memory. This direct link is why smells can trigger such vivid and emotional memories, more so than any of your other senses. It's a built-in time machine, triggered by a simple whiff of something familiar. For our ninth fact, let us talk about the constant renovation happening in your body. You are not the same person you were 7 years ago, at least on a cellular level. Your body is in a constant state of regeneration. Your skin cells are replaced every 2 to 4 weeks. Your red blood cells live for about 4 months. Even your skeleton, which seems so solid and permanent, is completely regenerated roughly every 10 years. It is a continuous process of renewal, meaning your body is constantly rebuilding and refreshing itself from the inside out. And finally, our 10th and perhaps most mind-boggling fact: the power of your DNA. Inside each of your cells, you have a strand of DNA. If you could unwind and stretch out the DNA from just one cell, it would be about 6 feet long. Now consider that you have trillions of cells in your body. If you were to take all the DNA from all your cells and line it up, the resulting thread would stretch from the Earth to the Sun and back multiple times. That's an astronomical amount of information packed into a microscopic space. It's the blueprint for everything that makes you, you. So there you have it, 10 shocking facts that prove the human body is a universe of wonders. From being made of stardust to having enough DNA to reach the sun, you are truly extraordinary. Which of these facts surprised you the most? Let me know down in the comments below. I love reading your thoughts and reactions. And if you enjoyed this journey into the incredible world of human biology, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.